and then you develop the terms of the offer to meet your goal of moving the customer. You know, what's the time limit? Should it be a week, 2 weeks, a day, this hour? How much of a discount do you need to give? What sort of value gift do you need to give? All that has to be thought through, and you probably are going to test some options as you are seeing here in this visual. You're going to test, but they have to be testable differences. You know, you're not going to change the word "the" to you know, in a headline. I think that's going to have a big impact on your business. So you want different options to look at, different options to test. Keep accurate records. Well, that's from that other book. That's sort of why I left it, because it's pretty obvious. Okay, and then when you're ready, okay, you roll it out, and you hold back the cell for testing. Now, there is a quiz on the content that you have seen up till now on offers.